Recently, Prime Minister Modi visited Netherlands and something huge happened that can completely change India's future technology. A Dutch company called ASML, one of the most important tech companies on earth, is now partnering with Tata Electronics for a huge semiconductor push in India. And honestly, most people don't realize how important this is for India right now. Because this is not just about factories, this is about power, economic power, military power, AI power, and India trying to secure its future before the world enters a full-scale chip war. Every single thing around you runs on semiconductor chip. Your smartphone, your laptop, cars, satellites, missiles, AI data centers, even fighter jets. Semiconductors are basically the brains of modern machine, and today the world's most advanced chips are mainly manufactured by companies like TSMC in Taiwan. But here's the crazy part. Even TSMC cannot manufacture those advanced chips without ASML, and that's how powerful ASML is. ASML makes something called photolithography machines. Now this machine is basically the heart of modern chip manufacturing. It prints microscopic circuits onto silicon wafers using extremely advanced light technology. And when I say microscopic, I mean structures smaller than viruses. The engineering behind these machines is absolutely insane. Some reports say the vacuum inside ASML's machine is more intense than the outer space around Earth. The heat generated inside parts of the system can become hotter than the surface of the sun. And the machine itself contains over 100,000 components sourced from multiple countries. Developing this technology took decades, billions of dollars, and some of the brightest engineers in the world, which is why only a handful of countries on earth can even participate in this industry. Now here's where India enters the story. India has been dependent on imported semiconductor chips for years. Almost every major electronic device used in India relies on foreign-made chips. And experts estimate that by 2030, India's chip imports could reach nearly $100 billion. That's a massive dependency. And in today's world, dependency is dangerous because the global supply chain is becoming more unstable every year. Think about it. If the Strait of Hormuz gets blocked, which has already happened due to conflict, the oil prices are exploding. Shipping is getting disrupted. The global trade is slowing down. Now imagine if the Strait of Malacca faces disruption. That route handles a huge amount of Asian trade. And then there's the biggest concern of all, Taiwan. Because Taiwan produces most of the world's advanced chips through TSMC. If tensions between China and Taiwan ever escalate, the entire global tech industry could go into crisis mode. Everything would get affected. And countries without domestic semiconductor capability would struggle badly. That's exactly why India is now trying to build its own semiconductor ecosystem before it's too late. The reported semiconductor push connected to Gujarat's Dholera region is a part of a much bigger strategy. India does not want to remain just a consumer market anymore. It wants to become a producer, not just assembling products but actually manufacturing critical technology. And this is where Tata Electronics becomes important. Tata Group already has huge experience in manufacturing and infrastructure. Now with semiconductor partnerships and government support, India is trying to enter one of the hardest industries in the world. And make no mistakes, chip manufacturing is probably one of the most complex industries humans have ever built. One small mistake, one dust particle, one supply chain disruption, and billions of dollars can be lost. That's why countries are racing to secure semiconductor independence. The United States is investing heavily, China is investing heavily, Europe is investing heavily, and now India wants a seal at the table too. But there's another interesting layer here. Even though ASML is based in the Netherlands, the company operates under huge global influence. Its major investors include giant Wall Street firms like BlackRock, Vanguard, and Capital Group. And because semiconductor technology is now deeply tied to geopolitics, countries like the United States also play a major role in deciding where advanced tech can go. That's why partnerships like this are not just business deals, they are strategic moves. If India succeeds here, the impact would be enormous. It could reduce dependence on imports, save foreign exchange reserves, create high-paying engineering jobs, strengthen national security, boost AI in electronic manufacturing, and maybe finally turn Make in India from a slogan into a real global manufacturing success story.